Celebrate National Nutrition Month with more green veggies, like Brussels sprouts, because these little cabbages are perfect for St. Patrick's Day. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian. Today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll show you how easy it is to go green with some delicious maple-bourbon Brussels sprouts. Now, if you didn't like Brussels sprouts as a kid, give them a second chance. Today's Brussels sprouts are actually bred to have a milder flavor than you probably remember. And this recipe has lots of other yummy flavors you're sure to love. Start with a pound of Hy-Vee Shortcuts Brussels sprouts. They're already cleaned and chopped to size for you. Brussels sprouts are rich in vitamins K and C, which aid in blood and bone health. Plus, they're loaded with fiber to help keep you full. Mix them in a bowl with a cubed apple and add in 3 tablespoons of this aged bourbon barrel maple syrup for a little bit of sweet. Add 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, 3/4 a teaspoon of chopped fresh thyme, and a little salt and pepper. Then give that all a good toss. I've had a baking sheet preheating in the oven at 425, so I'm going to pull that out and put my sprouts on it. Give it a light coat of cooking spray and then spread out the sprouts in a single layer. Sprinkle on some pecans and roast in the oven for 10 minutes. Give them a stir and then roast for 5 more minutes. Don't these look delicious? Now that I've pulled them out of the oven, let's transfer them to a bowl. Finally, sprinkle some chopped, sweet smoked bacon on top and it's ready to serve. Even better than the wearing of the green is the eating of the green. Visit Hy-Vee.com/health and connect virtually with your Hy-Vee dietitian for more ideas to get more veggies onto your plate.